Riri mitino ya barabara ithiite na mbere kuongerereka guku bururi-ini, andu eri nimakuire na umwe kugurara uru thutha wa ngari muthemba wa Nissan kuringana na bodaboda iria gukuite athii atatu barabara-ini ya Kangundo. Agikira uhoro mukonde OCPD wa Kangundo Samuel Nampiu augire mutino uhanikire akuhi na thoko ya mara barabara-ini nene ya Nairobi guthii Kangundo. Eri amakuire matwarwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri thibitari-ini ya Kangundo. Maya magithiaga na mbere ruhonge rwa NTSA niruratabanirie muungururio barabara-ini itiganite kuri aria maranyitikanire na mahitia maraikirio ngono undu uria uracungiriria athii guthinika magietha njira ingi cia guthii na mbere na thabari ciao. Na birigiceni ya Waiyaki ndinanga magegania kuria matereba aria marari ariu marageragia gwetha njira cia kwiyeheria na mahitia maria marari namo magutwarithia ngari mari ariu.
Unanitoa hewa yote kwa mwili. Haki ya Mungu mnanitesa. Haki ya Mungu mnanitesa.
Na niguo gutigira ni makinya kuria marathiaga agendi amwe ni maratabanirie mahoya magitana na iguru gwetha uteithio kuri nyene.
Oh my Jesus, yes. The King of Kings, yes. We have preached your name, yes. We have preached your name, yes. My God, you have healed cancer, you have healed HIV, yes. Lord, you are with us. I know that you ulipigania wana wa Israeli.
Akiria na kameme na njira ya mwanya murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa NTSA giciwini kia Nairobi na ugite mungururi no guthii na mbere niguo gutigira mitino ino ni yahuka kaimana.
Passengers also we need to speak. We need to speak out. We have got a forum, NTSA applications as well as a hotline. And we have received very encouraging reports concerning reckless driving, and we have managed to act on a number of them. So let the passengers speak out.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiru wa Njuguna.